Hello, everyone. Michael Klein here. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're having a great start to the new year. I'm very excited. This is also my last semester with UNCW. I am enrolled in the EDL 512 law class as well as EDL 571. So I'm looking forward to working with all of you for this last semester. And as we move on, hopefully into careers and so on as principals, administrators. Um, to all the new faces, welcome to the program. To all of the recognizable faces, I'm very excited to work with you again throughout the semester. I work in Wake County for a Title I middle school where I've had the opportunity to be a full-time intern. It has been very exciting, very busy to say the least. It's kind of definitely started with my feet running. I work primarily with the seventh grade with Dr. Massey, who is the seventh grade administrator. It's I've been very fortunate because I'm seen as an actual assistant principal at this time with the tasks and duties that I'm doing that I'm fulfilling. And Miss Weddle, the head principal at Riverbend Middle School, definitely I could feel has entrusted me with making the right calls, right choices as far as when it comes to discipline and so on, fulfilling my duties as an assistant principal. Moving forward with my coaching plan, I definitely want to continue focused on being that instructional leader to help the teachers, support the teachers, being in the classroom more, letting them know, what is working right, what, I see is happening going well, and, and giving that constructive criticism on how we can make this better. I definitely want to when it comes to being a managerial leader, I want to focus on the budget at the school, so I can see that side and how we're allocating the money for the school, especially being a Title I school, and looking then forward to the next year if we're going to meet the criteria to continue to be a Title I school. Um, there's some budget committee meetings that I plan on attending for the county, as well as speaking directly with Miss Weddle and our bookkeeper at the school. Then lastly, my other main focus is the human resources. Just how can we build that morale at Riverbend Middle School with the teachers, just to make sure through these tough months, these long periods that we have without having breaks, how can we keep that support for them and making them know that they're cared about and that we have their backs. And as we progress into completing the 2020 teacher working condition surveys. So again, I'm looking forward to working with all of you. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. In the meantime, between time, take care. I'll talk to you soon.